We see the process of packaging products into sachets on a horizontal packaging machine. The film is unwound from a roll and continuously fed into the working area of the machine. The material moves in a horizontal plane, forming a web of future sachets. At the first stage, longitudinal seals are formed, creating the side boundaries of the sachet. At the same time, the dosing system measures an exact portion of the product. The product is fed into the package precisely at the moment it opens. The dosing process is synchronized with the film movement, ensuring accurate and clean filling. After filling, a transverse seal is made, closing the current package. At the same time, the next sachet begins to form. The process runs continuously. In this way, one cycle combines filling and hermetic sealing. After sealing, cutting takes place, separating the sachet from the film. Finished sachets are discharged as individual units or in a continuous strip. The entire process, from forming to sealing, takes place in a single flow without stops. The machine integrates forming, dosing, and sealing into one synchronized system.